Welcome to our channel. Today we're tackling something that probably everyone deals with at some point: unwanted recurring subscriptions. Specifically, we're going to show you how to cancel them through PayPal. It's easier than you think, so let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to the PayPal website and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct email address and password, obviously. Once you're in, look for the settings icon. It usually looks like a little gear or cog, and you can typically find it near your profile picture or name at the top right corner of the page. Click on that, and you'll be taken to your account settings. Now, in the settings menu, you need to find the section related to payments. Usually, it's labeled something like Payments, Automatic Payments, or Manage Automatic Payments. Click on that section. This is where all of your active and inactive recurring subscriptions will be listed. You should now see a list of merchants or companies that you have authorized to automatically charge your PayPal account. Scroll through the list until you find the subscription you want to cancel. Once you've found it, click on the merchant's name or logo. This will take you to the details page for that specific subscription. On this details page, you should find all sorts of information about the subscription, like the billing frequency, the amount you're being charged, and the start date. But most importantly, you're looking for a button or link that says something like Cancel, Cancel Subscription, or Remove. It might be a little hidden, so scan the page carefully. Once you find it, click that button. PayPal will likely ask you to confirm that you really want to cancel the subscription. They might even try to offer you a discount or some other incentive to keep it, but stand your ground. Click the confirmation button to proceed with the cancellation. After you confirm, you should see a message indicating that the subscription has been successfully canceled. It's a good idea to take a screenshot of this confirmation page for your records, just in case any issues arise later. Also, you might want to check your email inbox for a confirmation email from PayPal regarding the cancellation. Finally, to double-check that the subscription is indeed canceled, go back to the Automatic Payments section in your PayPal settings. The subscription you just canceled should no longer be listed as active. If it's still there, give it a few minutes and refresh the page. If it's still there after that, contact PayPal support to make sure it's properly terminated. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully canceled a recurring subscription through PayPal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.